Good day to all of you guys. Today I'm gonna show you how to diagnose and repair brake noise and vibration as per the customer concern written in the job card or repair order. The customer felt excessive brake vibration while applying brake upon driving on a normal road. The vehicle speed mentioned on the interview sheet is 60 to 70 km per hour and felt only on the front portion of the car. Pre-test was already done by our road tester, and yes, the customer complaint was duplicated or reproduced. And when I checked service history, there were no related service repair pertaining customer complaint. I visually check front brake pads are obviously thin and rotor disc has deep scratches which can surely cause brake noise and vibration. Since I already have idea of what causing the problem, I also perform actual inspection for other things that capable of creating problem as per customer complaint. These are inspection for tie rod, rack end, suspension, tires, and even brake hydraulic system. All of them are in good condition upon actual inspection. I also perform vehicle health check using HDS scanner so as to check for DTC in the system and perform functional tests for ABS modulator unit, but there were no fault found upon doing this functional test. So I decided to focus my attention to front rotor disc and brake pads inspection.
So how to measure the thickness of the rotor disc? Using micrometer, you only need to make a mark of 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're going to measure this one by one.
To perform brake disc parallelism, you only need to measure at 8 points, about 45 degrees apart and 10 mm from the outer edge of the brake disc by using micrometer. Take note of the reading. Replace the brake disc if the smallest measurement is less than the maximum refinishing limit. The standard thickness of this rotor disc is 28 mm and the maximum refinishing limit is 26 mm. The smallest measurement I got is 27.14 mm. This means 0.86 mm worn out since he bought the car. Therefore, rotor disc refinishing is recommended based on parallelism result. Some other call this rotor disc skimming, some other are refacing, and some other are resurfacing. It depends on their term, but they are just the same. Another way of inspecting rotor disc condition is measuring runout using dial gauge. If ever only one of these two precision tools is available for you to diagnose rotor disc warpage and runout. For those who are interested to learn how to use precision tool like this, I'm going to post separate video with multiple diagnostic precision tools in order to get accurate measurement at all times.
Using this one should be 0, and dial gauge must be around 1. Okay. So then okay. So it's now accurate. Okay. Now we're going to rotate the rotor disc. The same rotation as the wheel turns. It is clockwise. And take note of the reading. Okay.
The exact measurement shown using dial gauge is 0.04 mm. Therefore, rotor disc refinishing is recommended. Since the front brake pads are obviously thin, I also recommend to replace it. Final estimate was given and it was approved. I am now going to perform in-car rotor disc skimming or resurfacing and then install new front brake pads. After front, left and right rotor disc refinishing, I installed new brake pads and fixed back the tires. I turned over the job card to our quality controller for road test. Final test result: brake noise and vibration scan, and a pass stamp on the job card with signature. I hope you found knowledge on this video. God bless us all.